traffic, traffic. Descend, crossing descend. Descend, descend now.
Has your pilot ever said that they had a TCAS event that did not seem justified and wanted to analyze what exactly happened during that flight? Honeywell has a solution to help with analysis of post-flight traffic encounters and flight fault history. TREX, or TCAS Recorded Event Transcriber. TREX gives users the ability to accurately play back the conditions leading from a resolution advisory event with one or more intruders on a vertical speed indicator and traffic graphic user interface display. A complete listing of fault history information can also be observed after downloading stored information on a portable flash memory card. First, make sure power to the TCAS processor is turned off. Insert a blank PC ATA card into the front slot of the TPA-100 as shown here. Observe caution. Don't force the card into the slot. Make sure the memory card is installed correctly, or permanent damage may occur to the card's receptacle. Return power to the TCAS. Verify there is a blinking red light in the memory card slot. Verify the following message displays on the front panel LCD. Card inserted. Dump request. Verify that the following message displays on the front panel LCD when the data dump has finished. Dump complete. Remove PC card. Remove the PC card from the TPA-100. The memory card will now contain a DAT file. Note the unit part number, serial number, and unit dash number. This will ensure file accuracy when selecting data type from the drop-down menu. Once the DAT file is extracted from the TCAS processor, the file can be loaded into TREX for analysis. Select the DAT file you downloaded from its location. Utilizing the drop-down menu, select the appropriate data type. Reference the table in the service information letter for assistance. There are 3 tab selections to choose from here. TARA Event Graphics tab is a user interface to display attributes of TARA data. TARA Event Visualization tab is an event player which can play back the selected event. And the Fault Log tab. Fault logs can assist in equipment and aircraft troubleshooting. Fault log history can tell the avionics engineer about potential aircraft system or TCAS processor issues. For example, if the TCAS processor gets removed from an aircraft for a squawk of missing targets and the unit tested good on the bench, the fault history can tell us a whole different story. By utilizing the maintenance manual, the engineer can decode the faults and determine if the fault is aircraft related or is it internal to the processor. Such as comparing fault dumps of multiple TCAS processors off the same tail number aircraft can help identify recurring system issues. To find a full list of internal and external faults, click on the Faults tab as shown here. Then export to a predetermined location on your computer. Next, select the faults.xls file. In this instance, we can see a known fault code pattern that is indicative of performing TCAS self-test before the ADARU has been aligned. This is not a failure of the TCAS processor, but a pre-flight system error. This is a great tool to use with hold for troubleshooting technique for reducing no fault founds. This concludes our video on TREX, or TCAS Recorded Event Transcriber.
This video is for training purposes only and should not be used as a replacement for any technical publication.